In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Shopify account. This can be a crucial step if you've decided to move on from Shopify, need to streamline your business operations, or just want to start fresh with a new store. Let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, we need to make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. This might seem obvious, but it's an important first step. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Shopify admin. This is the central hub where you manage all aspects of your store, from tracking sales to handling customer queries. Now, locate the Settings tab, which you can find at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. This section is where all the back-end magic happens, allowing you to customize and regulate the finer details of your store. After you're in Settings, you're going to click on Plan and Permissions. This area is critical because it holds the control over your account's active status. Here, you'll notice a section called Store Status. What you're looking for is the option that says Pause or Deactivate Store. It's quite possible that you'll see various options here, primarily to encourage you to keep your store, so read through them carefully if you're contemplating other options. Now, selecting Cancel Subscription will guide you toward the account cancellation process. It's important to understand that this action will terminate your account and remove your store from the web. Shopify usually prompts you to provide a reason for canceling, which is optional but helpful for their records. However, remember that once you proceed, your data is subject to permanent deletion. At this point, Shopify might prompt you with some last-minute considerations to make sure you're certain about closing your store. With your decision made, you will now verify your identity by entering your password. This step ensures the security of your account, confirming that it's truly you who wants to delete the store. After that verification, you should see a button labeled Close Store. Click this button, and your account will begin the closing process. If you have any active apps or third-party services, it's a good idea to cancel those subscriptions beforehand as well. This avoids unnecessary charges after your Shopify account is closed. In the event you change your mind, note down any important details about your store, because once deleted, retrieving this information will be impossible. This process generally takes a few moments, and you will receive an email confirmation from Shopify to finalize the cancellation. Always ensure to read any final emails from Shopify to verify that your cancellation has successfully processed. That's it. Your Shopify account is now closed and your store is permanently deleted. Remember to keep track of any follow-up communications, and, as always, ensure that this is the right decision for your business. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your next venture.